You will change the entire dynamic in the shop with that one piece of advice. But if you want me to tell you how to solve some of the major issues that you're experiencing in your shop, here it is. It's this simple. When you run into an issue with a repair, when you run into something where, hey, I'm working on this car, I'm running into troubles, or it's taking a little bit longer, listen, don't get upset, don't get frustrated. Go talk to your advisor and say, hey, I want to apprise you of the situation ahead of time. We ran into this today. The advisor got really upset because they felt like the technician took too long and had dismissed them. When I broke down the conversation, I broke down the communications, you know what I found? I found out that the technician had viable reasons for taking too long, but I also found out that the technician did not communicate to the advisor, hey, here's where I'm at. Now, the advisor was busy, the advisor was covered up, and that is one thing that I think many technicians miss when it comes to that role. When you see your advisor out there just busting tail trying to answer these telephones, you don't realize that that has been their entire day, answering the telephone, making estimates, dealing with all of these things, just one right after another. You don't realize that, hey, this has been a non-stop affair. And so they don't have time to always come check with you. Now, as shop owner, right, like my role in the shop, what I would do is I would go back and I would say, okay, I have all of these cars. Where is this car? Where is this car? Where is this car? Where are we at? Why is this important? Because I need the ability to call my client and keep them updated so it doesn't turn into a upset client that's screaming at me, raising my stress level even higher. Well, as owner, I had the bandwidth to do that, but the advisor didn't always have the bandwidth. I'm used to a very high workload in the shop. I'm used to a very stressful shop. I'm used to that kind of pressure, and I just dealt with it. So even if I was the advisor, I knew when to check in, and I knew who was pushing me and who I needed to get that critical feedback for. So I would talk to my technicians, I would talk to the other advisors, and I'd say, here's what we need to do. But if you have an extra 2 or 3 minutes to just walk by the advisor or shoot them a message and say, here's where I'm at, here's what I'm running into, I'm doing the best I can, hey, just giving you an update so you can talk to the client if you need to. You will change the entire dynamic in the shop with that one piece of advice. I promise. Give it a try one day soon. Let me know what you think.